Hello, and welcome to another TPOS tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate how to make a request for a special tax rate certificate. First, you need to log in with your correct user ID and password. Once logged into your account, select the request tile. Here, you'll see multiple request types. Select Certificates and click on Request for Special Tax Rate Certificate. Once selected, you will be prompted with the FRCS TPOS Terms and Conditions. Please read these instructions carefully before proceeding. Check the box once you have read and understood. Then click Continue to Next Step to proceed to the Special Tax Rate Certificate page. Here, you will need to enter your primary employer details, TIN, name and estimated gross income details in the fields provided. If you have a secondary employer, you can also add their details in the fields provided for the secondary employer. Should you have more than one secondary employer, you can add more fields by clicking the Add Secondary Employer button. Once all the details has been entered, click Continue to proceed to the Declarations page. Click the Declaration checkbox. Then click Submit. A confirmation page will appear notifying you that your application has been submitted successfully. We hope that you have been able to follow through. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more tutorial videos. For more information or queries, please email info@frcs.org.fj.